All right, so I got home and here's what lunch looks like. 2 cheese enchiladas with rice and beans. So you get your 2 cheese enchiladas and you got the beans and the rice. Here we go, guys. Got a little moved, got shuffled around in the car, but still looks all right. This was over $12, which was a little pricey, especially for a fast food place. So let's dig in and see what it tastes like. All right, guys, let's see. A little bit of that the beans. Pretty good. Some rice. Rice and beans, baby. You cut into that enchilada. I can show you what it looks like. Here we go. It's a cheese enchilada. Looks messy, so it should taste good. Messy food usually tastes good, so the messier, better it tastes. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Good. Good. Here's another one. Ooh, float up. Look at that, baby. Yeah, look at that. Check that out. I gotta bite into that. Beans. Rice. All right, this is definitely, it's not the, oh man, I'm making a mess. It's not the best Mexican food you can get. It is a fast food. It's open 24/7 here in Las Vegas. So, scale 1 to 5, this is, let's say it's solid 3. It's a 3. It does the job, it's gonna fill you up. The prices are not friendly, man. It's over $12 for this. Is not cheap. So for a fast food place, it's not really cheap. 3 out of 5. Roberto's Tacos in Las Vegas. Thank you guys for watching Parks and Pizza. See you in the next video.